continually working on our inner beauty. So join me now as I learn to improve our outer beauty, as I learn beauty tips for Latin ladies as well as ladies in general. You know, I wanted to start this channel with a clean slate. No makeup, my hair's not done, it's frizzy, but I wanted you to see the real me. And you know, I'm thinking that I want my first tutorial to be on how I apply makeup now. I've been applying makeup the same way since I was 18 years old, and I'm not 18 anymore. I'm 49. I'll be 50 in 4 months in September. So I need to learn how to apply makeup for a maturing lady, and a maturing Latin lady at that. But this channel is going to be for all ladies in general, even young girls. Now's the time to start improving on your skin so you don't have a problem later in life. So what I want this channel to be is us learning together. I am not going to claim to be a beauty guru at all. I want this channel to be about my journey as I learn how to make my hair healthier, how to make my skin healthier, and as I learn, I want to teach you. So that's why I started this channel. I was thinking one day, I was like, you know, I really do need to start taking care of my hair. I really need to do something different with my skin because it's getting dry, and it is. I've got little dry patches right here, and I thought, you know, there's probably other ladies out there that are having the same problem, that maybe haven't changed up their skin regimen or their hair regimen or makeup application. So what I want is, I want this to kind of be like a journal as I take my journey on learning how to apply my makeup. So I think besides this video, I think my first video is going to be on showing you how I've always applied my makeup. And I know that it's nothing special. I don't really know anything about blending makeup well. I'm hearing all kinds of things about BB creams and CC creams, and I don't know what any of that stuff is. I'm hearing stuff about, what is it? Eye primer and skin primer. I mean, if there was these things when I was younger, I never heard of them. I just slap on some foundation, lipstick, eyeliner, and eyeshadow, and put my eyebrows on. But I've never really learned how to blend anything. I didn't know that I should be using certain brushes. So as I do research and buy professional brushes, I'm going to tell you which ones work for me. And we're all different, so what works for me might not work for you, but I want to share with you everything that I'm learning. And by all means, if you have any tricks and tips for me, I would love to hear them. So like I said, I am not going to pretend to be a beauty guru. That's why I came on this first video with a clean palette. No makeup, no hair done. I wanted you to see the real me. And hopefully, after my first video of how I apply makeup, hopefully we'll both see improvements on my makeup application. I'm hoping that I can learn a lot of beauty tricks and tips on skincare, hair care, the best exercises for women our age, and not just maturing ladies, but you young ladies too. You need to start now so that you don't have a problem later. So that's what this channel is going to be all about. So I hope you enjoy this channel, and I hope you come and visit me often at Glam It Up with Glama. Bye!